Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your Sony Google TV. First, make sure your television is powered on and running the latest software. Next, put your Bluetooth headphones into their pairing mode, usually indicated by a flashing light. Keep your headphones within a few feet of the TV for the best initial connection. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick pairing process. Now, let's access your TV's settings. From the Google TV home screen, scroll up or down to find and select the settings icon, which often looks like a gear. Once in settings, navigate down and choose remotes and accessories. This section is where you'll find all options related to external devices. Finally, select Bluetooth settings to proceed with connecting your headphones. With your headphones in pairing mode and the TV's Bluetooth settings open, you're ready to connect. Select the option Pair New Device on your television screen. The TV will then scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Your headphones should soon appear in the list of available devices. Simply select your specific headphones from this list to initiate and complete the pairing process. After selecting your headphones, a confirmation message should appear on your TV screen, indicating a successful connection. To ensure everything is working correctly, play some audio or a video and confirm the sound is now coming through your headphones. If you encounter any issues, such as no sound or a dropped connection, simply restart both your Sony Google TV and your Bluetooth headphones, then try the pairing steps again. Enjoy your private listening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.